Here's my new update here. I end up removing the self-powered voltage level display because again this turns out to be the cause of a signal that was coming through my amplifier, an interfering signal, which went away when I turned it off. So I took it off, left it off. Now the other ghost box over here, I left that one on. That one doesn't seem to be causing any interference, but if it does, it'll come off too. Now, let's get to the lights. I've been working on a prototype lights for my ghost box, but I might end up settling on a LED chaser scanner display you buy for jaycar electronics. Here it is here. That's it there. Now if you solder the LEDs with the legs long enough, it's very hard to get them side by side, so use a bit of blue tack to stick the second one so side by side temporarily until you solder it in place. Now once you do that, they will not sit in a straight line even if you move your hand. So in order to do that, I clamp a piece of red plastic, which I get from jaycar electronics, on both sides of the LEDs, and clamp with a screw that will squash them into a straight line. To get the LEDs to stop when the ghost talks is to run two wires behind that electrolytic capacitor, the second one here on the board. Run that to the voice operated relay attached to your speaker of your ghost box. So when the ghost talks, the relay switches, it shorts out that capacitor and stops the LEDs in its track. I discovered that this could be done years ago when I built this circuit before, and used that to power 96 LEDs, which I ran fine silver plated wires to 6 LEDs, and from there 6 LEDs to the next one and the next one. So I had a heap of chasers all in one. But anyhow, this might be the best, cheapest alternative option for a light display for your ghost box. Now if you want white LEDs, what you do is replace the red ones with white ones, but they're a bit expensive anyhow. So anyhow, that's about that. So thank you for watching my latest update.